Sour cherry, also known as tart cherry, is the fruit of a small tree, Prunus cerasus, native to Europe but now grows around the world. It is related to the sweet cherry tree and is similar in both appearance and in the fruit it bears. However, although both species grow small red fruit, those of the sour cherry tree are, true to their name, more acidic to taste. Studies that have unveiled the benefits of the red-hot superfruit to a person's health. This video presents top 7 reasons to eat more of these superfruit cherries. Number 1. Contain antioxidants. Sour cherries contain a high concentration of anthocyanins, the antioxidant flavonoid compounds that are responsible for the dark coloring of cherries and other deeply colored fruits like grapes. A 2009 study conducted at the University of Michigan found that the anthocyanins in sour cherries significantly increased the antioxidant activity in the bodies of adults up to 12 hours after eating 1.5 cups of sour cherries. Flavonoids like anthocyanins may also help prevent osteoporosis, ulcers, infections, and digestive problems. Number 2. Ease muscle pain. You may not need the ibuprofen or ice packs after a grueling run. Sour cherries may be more effective for beating muscle pain, according to a study from Oregon Health and Science University. In the study, researchers found that runners who drank sour cherry juice right after a long run had 23% less pain later on than guys who didn't. Another study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that sour cherries also have a protective effect on muscles and help reduce pain during strenuous exercise. Number 3. Fight diabetes. Sour cherries contain the antioxidant anthocyanin, natural colorants that provide pigments in fruits and have numerous health benefits. In early laboratory studies that used animal pancreatic cells, anthocyanins increased insulin production by 50%, said a natural products chemist at Michigan State University in East Lansing, and the leader of the study, Merle E. Nair, Ph.D. The colorful compounds have not been tested on humans, and researchers advise to limit the candied maraschino cherries because they contain extra sugar and fewer beneficial cherry pigments. Number 4. Lower the risk of heart disease. Sour cherries can provide similar cardiovascular health benefits like prescribed drugs used to help regulate fat and glucose in patients with metabolic syndrome. The University of Michigan Cardioprotection Research Laboratory suggests that sour cherries can reduce the risk of stroke, even when they are taken with prescribed medications, says Science Daily. Researchers measured stroke-prone rats' systolic blood pressure, as well as their locomotion, balance, and coordination, by putting the rats through a variety of physical tests. The results of the study were seen at the Experimental Biology 2013 meeting in Boston in April, where stroke-prone rats, who had the combination of sour cherries and Actos, pioglitazone, a medication to treat such ailments, improved their balance and coordination and lowered their blood pressure. Number 5. Improve sleep. Sour cherries may be a safe and effective way to treat insomnia and increase the amount of sleep you get each night. That's because sour cherries are naturally rich in melatonin, a hormone responsible for sleepiness. Moreover, sour cherries contain a good amount of tryptophan and anthocyanins, 2 compounds that may help the body create melatonin and lengthen its effects. Research shows that supplementing with sour cherry juice increases levels of melatonin and helps improve sleep quality and duration. In one study, participants suffering from insomnia drank either 16 ounces, 480 milliliters, of sour cherry juice or the same amount of a placebo juice each day for 2 weeks. The cherry juice increased sleep time by an average of 85 minutes. Interestingly, sour cherry juice seems to be just as, if not more, effective at reducing insomnia than valerian and melatonin, the 2 most studied natural products for insomnia. Number 6. Reduce symptoms of arthritis and gout. Sour cherry is often claimed to reduce arthritis symptoms, such as joint pain and inflammation. In one study, sour cherry juice reduced certain blood markers of inflammation in women with osteoarthritis, the most common type of arthritis. Studies have also looked at the effect of sour cherry juice on gout, a type of arthritis accompanied by repeated attacks of swelling and intense pain. Eating sour cherries seems to reduce blood levels of uric acid, a chemical that can trigger gout when present in too high concentrations. In addition, several studies report that individuals with gout who consume fresh sour cherries or sour cherry juice concentrate daily are up to 50% less likely to suffer from an attack. However, the total number of studies on this topic is limited, and most are observational. Number 7. Promote brain health. Degenerative brain disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's are thought to be caused in part by oxidative stress. Sour cherries and their juice contain large amounts of antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds that may have protective effects on brain cells. In one study, consuming 16 ounces, 480 milliliters, of sour cherry juice daily improved antioxidant defenses in healthy older men and women. In another study, older adults with mild to moderate dementia consumed either 6.5 ounces, 200 milliliters, of sour cherry juice or a placebo for 12 weeks. Adults in the cherry juice group experienced improvements in verbal fluency and short-term and long-term memory, whereas those in the placebo group experienced no improvements. Sour cherry is rich in nutrients, may offer several impressive health benefits, and is a simple addition to any diet. Try adding sour cherries to salads, trail mix, and granola. They are also delicious as a standalone snack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our videos of food and nutrition.